You know that you can now apply for your international passport all by yourself without having to go to the NIS office, without going to the Nigerian Immigration Service office. You can apply for your international passport and process it from the comfort of your home. There are three major ways you can do it, but I just found out one of the smart ways to do it is that you can do it right from their app. I'm sure many of you did not know you can actually do this. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the app that you can use to apply for your international passport and process it right from the comfort of your home. So make sure that you stick around to the end of this video because this is going to make a lot of sense. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. Please like this video. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss whatever I share on this channel. So without wasting your time, let's get straight into the video. Let me show you exactly how you can apply for your international passport and process it from the comfort of your home with your smartphone. All right, so all you need to do is to go to Play Store like this. Go to Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, you go and type NIS mobile app. All right, that is Nigerian Immigration Service. The meaning of NIS is Nigerian Immigration Service. So all you need to do is to click on install. Okay, but I'm not going to do that in this video. I just want to show you what this app entails. So if you click on this now, you're going to see passport application services. Click on get started. So this is what you're going to be seeing when you download the app. So if you move forward, you're going to be seeing this is what you're going to see. Start your new passport application, and then if you are an existing person, maybe you have done it before, you want to continue, you can come here. Maybe you have been applying but you did not finish, you can come to continue existing application. If you want to do your biometrics, you want them to come to your house and submit your passport for you, you can use this contactless biometrics. All right, if you want to track your application, let's say you finish applying and you want to track it, you can track it right from your phone to be sure of how it is going. Are you getting now? So this is a very good feature. This is a very good one for me. It's a very good one, so you don't have to stress yourself going to their offices to wait and join a very long queue. Can you see? Very beautiful app, very simple to use. You can see the biometric enrollment guideline. You can see if you finish and you pass through the process, it will tell you to capture your face. Once you do this correctly, you are going to see something like this. As you can see, this is just a sample. This is exactly what you'll be seeing when you are using the app. If you scroll, you can see different other samples. So once you finish all those things, you're going to have to make payments online. So if you want to actually learn exactly how you can do this, I have created a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how to do this, because I can't show you everything in this video. You need to follow a step-by-step guide, and there are some very important information that you must not miss when you are applying for this, because if you miss it, it's going to stress you a lot. It's going to stress you a lot. That is why 99% of people, they get their international passport delayed. They suffer very much before they get their passport approved. But with the guide that I've created, with the step-by-step guide that I've created, you won't be going through all of those stress. So if you really want to learn exactly how you can do it step by step from the comfort of your home, this is one way. But I've also showed you another way you can do it in my step-by-step guide. All you need to do to get that is just go to the link in the description. I will drop a link there, or you can send me a message in the comment section. All right, check the link in the description, check the pinned comments. All right, now before I leave, this is not free. Okay, the guide is not free, so with just some token you can get it. All you need to do is to go to the link in the description, check the link that I drop, or check the pinned post, and you're going to see how you can get access to it. Let me say it again, it is not free, it's for a token. All right, so if you're really ready, if you're serious to get it, you want to have it, all you need to do is to check the link in the description, check my pinned post, or drop a comment for me. And if you have questions whatsoever when it comes to applying for your international passport, you are facing a challenge, just send me a message and I'm going to respond to you. That's all we are going to take in this video. I believe that you have learned something from this video. If you got value from this, please like this video. Make sure that you drop a comment, make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.